The troubleshooting tools built into Key Digital's HDBaseT extenders. Beginning with our full buffer system. It's a proprietary package of TMDS audio video, HDCP, EDID handshake, and hot plug detection voltage authentication, all managed by the Key Digital hardware instead of relying on the source and display to work it out. This full buffer system goes into so many Key Digital products. In fact, all of our extenders, switchers, distribution amplifiers, matrices feature the full buffer technology. Let's look more closely at EDID handshaking control. On most of our products, the EDID handshake is determined by the turn of the EDID rotary dial. You can refer to the owner's manual to see an EDID table where setting 0 on an extender is going to copy the EDID file from the connected display and relay it to the source as if the source and display were connected in a simplistic one-to-one connectivity type. The other settings begin at a low resolution 1080i and give you 3 audio options: 2-channel, 5.1, and HD 7.1. Then we move up and give you another set of 3 1080p with 2-channel, 5.1, then HD for settings 4, 5, and 6, and moving to 4K at 30 frames per second in settings 7, 8, and 9 with 3 different audio options. Settings A, B, and C give you 4K at 60 frames with 3 audio options. Settings D, E, and F give you DVI handshaking with no audio. So you see the integrator really has the ability to take control of what otherwise would not be controllable, would be an automatic digital communication between the source and the display by activating this useful troubleshooting tool. Another useful troubleshooting tool, forced hot plug detection. Forced hot plug detection in our extenders is selected using the control rotary. Some units have a control rotary on both transmit and receive sets, others only on the transmitter. So please do pay attention to that. The control rotary actually allows the integrator to choose many different settings for their extender, including IR and RS-232 extension types, or whether we need to upgrade the firmware to the unit. But we could see here the ability to force hot plug detection on settings 2, 3, 6, and 7. Again, this is a table from the owner's manual. And we could also see the ability to control the extender as opposed to passing through IR or RS-232 to control a connected device. Why would you want to control an extender, you may wonder? Well, before we get into that, what is hot plug detection? Hot plug detection happens before handshaking control occurs. Hot plug detection is voltage exchanged over HDMI that informs the connected device that it has a live partner on the other end of the cable. Sounds great in a simplistic one-to-one connectivity. However, in the custom audio video world, as you know, there are many layers of connectivity, increasing the odds that something will not cooperate, providing the necessary hot plug detection, or perhaps leaving chance that the voltage level will dip below the detection threshold, and then the source or display may not output or detect a connected device. Fixing the hot plug detection to on is a way to overcome that integration obstacle with this handy troubleshooting tool. So again, the RS-232 control. Why would you want to control an extender? Well, with Key Digital devices, that support RS-232 controllability, they are professional diagnostic devices. You can actually see connectivity of your system, like the HDCP authentication requirements for the input connected source, the video formatting, HDMI, DVI, and the connected device at the receive end. What type of display is it? Known by the EDID data that we are able to collect. Is it giving us hot plug detection voltage? Is it HDCP compatible? Is the digital display channel DDC good? If not, that may be an indicator of a corrupted wiring, maybe caused by severe electrical noise. Is the output on? And what is the connected display video formatting, HDMI or DVI? For more information on this, the software layer of Key Digital Devices, you will refer to Integrated Audio Video Control Professional Level 2.